Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort to do a full room tour of a theme park view club level room. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
And these rooms have been remodeled fairly recently with a Moana theming throughout. You'll see that this particular room is on the second floor, so it's a little bit different than the first or third floor, but we really love the new design.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here, over on the right, we have our closet space. We actually have two sliding closet doors, and inside the one, you're going to find your closet rod with a couple robes, because you're club level here, you get those fancy amenities. You also have a steamer up on the top shelf, and of course, some space for storage for your luggage. And then in the other half of the sliding closet here, we have another closet rod, we have a pillow and blanket up top, and then we have a luggage rack down below with a couple drawers, decent sized drawers with some space in them for storage. So you do have those there. And then we have one more section of the closet, the third section here. This is actually a door that opens out because you've got a full-length mirror on the back of it. You have shelves in here. You also have your in-room safe in here. And then you have some additional shelves down below that for storage. And then right next to the closet area, we have our coffee area. You've got this beautiful painting in the background here. We've got our ice bucket. It is a Keurig coffee maker here in this room. And of course, they have those K-cups down in the drawer for you with the cups and the creams and sugars and everything. You can also get coffee down in the club level lounge if you'd like to get it down there as well. Down below the drawer for the coffee, we have a little cabinet where you'll find the mini fridge. This is more of a mini cooler. It only goes to 41 degrees, doesn't get colder than that, but it does a pretty good job of keeping drinks cold at least. I'm just not sure you'd want to store things like medication in there. Now across from the closet area, we have our bathroom area. As you can see, the bathroom has a pocket door that closes it off from the rest of the room. That does have a lock on it whenever you pull it out. You can lock that once you close it. And then of course that opens up and hides in the wall there. The bathroom is one big bathroom area here. We have a vanity over on the right. We have two different sinks, a little bit of counter space in between them, and then some shelves down below for storage. We also have a smaller shelf up above the sinks where you can store things, and you have a few amenities there. We've got some mouthwash and some lotion and soap. We've got the mirror here and the rock back behind the mirror that's backlit. I really like that design on the wall, mixing the textures there with the mirror frame and the rock on the wall. We also have a makeup mirror mounted here on the wall next to the main mirror. Across from the sink area, we have the tub, and this is a tub shower combo. It's got the sliding glass door, and you have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in there. There's a really cool pattern on the tile. If you look at some of the pieces, you've got that kind of tribal pattern on there. And then the shower head is a detachable shower head in addition to the rainfall style shower head up top. And then we do have a separate little room in here for our toilet. Once again, one of those locking pocket doors that slides into the wall. We've got some towels over here in this little nook. And then right here beside the toilet, we have a beautiful piece of artwork that is Moana and Maui down there on the boat. Really cool design. I'm really liking the Moana details throughout this room. There's lots of smaller details and then also some bigger ones as well. As we come into the room here, you can see over on the right we have our TV and our dresser, and of course this accent wall that is just absolutely amazing. I love the design all over it. There's characters in here. You can see Moana over there, Maui's over there. There's a few hidden Mickeys in here as well, like the one right here on the back of the turtle. He's not as hidden, it's right there in front of you, but really great touch having that accent wall here in the room. We do have that TV, as I mentioned, and then below there we have a couple outlets. In addition to the outlet, we have a USB outlet and a USB-C outlet, which is really nice to have. And then we have drawers here for storage. They're really big drawers. They're pretty deep and they're very, very wide, so you actually have a lot of storage space here in this room. And then next to the TV, we have a lamp and a small little end table there with some storage underneath. And then our couch. Now this couch does fold down into a twin size bed. Alyssa will flip that down and show you here in just a few minutes. And then we've got some more pillows on there, one with a turtle and one with an octopus. Again, matching that theming in here, and I'm really liking that as we look through the room here. We have the two queen size beds as the main beds in here, and they are raised up off the ground. You can see there's storage space underneath for your luggage, and we have these little benches down here at the end of the bed, which is nice. Got a couple little accent pillows they've added to the beds here. And then on the wall next to this bed, an absolutely massive picture from Moana with her and Pua standing down there by the water. And there are a couple hidden Mickeys in the picture here. We found one of them down here in the flowers, but there's a couple of them scattered around in all of the painting there. On the end of the bed, we have this small little table that has an outlet above it with 2 USBs on it. And of course you can leave your device here charging at night. It's just a tiny little table for that. We have the lamp next to the bed, and we also have this little reading lamp that's embedded in the headboard, which is a really nice to have whenever you've got other people in the room. You don't want to wake them up. And then the headboard is that engraved wood with all those little patterns on it, really tying in with all the other textures and patterns here in the room. And you notice they also have backlit those headboards, so you have that light coming up from there, and they kind of have the little Moana symbol right there in the corner. I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's a little thicker, but I think that's what it is. And then in between the two beds, we have a small nightstand that has a drawer, as well as the cabinets there with some space for storage. We have wall outlets and USB outlets, and also USB-C on these as well. So you've got a lot of places here in the room to plug in and charge your devices. There's another one of those little tables here on this side of the bed as well. Lots and lots of outlets around the room. We have a couple tables in here and then a chair over here in the corner, again with the patterns on it. I really like this chair. It's actually really comfortable. And then the lamp behind it, we have some Moana characters in the lamp. You can't really see them until you turn the light on, but once you do, you can't miss them. They're all the way around. It's pretty great. And then here in the curtain, we actually have another Moana touch. There's the little symbol right there. Lots and lots of Moana features in this room throughout. Now, we do not have a balcony on this room because we are on the second floor of the building, and all of the hotel rooms here at the Polynesian, not the villas, but the regular hotel rooms, you don't have a balcony if you're on the second floor, and that is staying true to a Polynesian tradition when the Imagineers built the building. So instead you have this Juliet balcony, and you do have a door. You can open that up so you're able to hear the music outside. Of course, we have a phenomenal view of the fireworks. That is Cinderella Castle right over bungalow number 1 there. So you have a great view of the fireworks. The music is pumped into the speakers that are actually right down there in the grass. So you can open that door to watch, but it's just not something where you can walk out on the balcony. First floor has a patio, and third floor has a balcony though, so you can request those if you'd like to have one. Alyssa also pulled down the twin size bed here, so you can see that pulled down. It folds right there on top of the couch, doesn't take up any additional floor space, and that gives you your 5th bedding option here in the room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this theme park view club level room here at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours of all the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.